In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Hostinger. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Emails section and click on it. This is where you manage your email services, mailboxes, and access to webmail. Before going any further, make sure you already have an active email plan purchased and connected to your account. If you don't have a plan yet, Hostinger will usually prompt you to choose one before you can continue. This step is important because the export option is only available once your email service is active and properly set up. After confirming that your email plan is active, you should see an option called Mailboxes. Go ahead and click that. In this area, you'll find the list of email accounts associated with your Hostinger setup. From there, select the mailbox you want to work with and then click Webmail. This will open the mailbox interface where you can actually view your emails. Once you're inside Webmail, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct inbox or folder if that matters for the emails you want to export. Then, at the top of the screen, look for the More option and click it. A drop-down or menu will appear with additional actions. From that menu, choose Download. After clicking Download, Hostinger will give you the option to choose an export format. This is the stage where you simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Read each option carefully so you select the format that best matches what you need. For example, you may want a format that's easier to store as a backup, or one that works better for moving emails into another service or application. As you go through the prompts, make sure you don't close the page too early, especially if the mailbox contains a large number of emails. Depending on the size of the export, it may take a little time for the file to prepare and download completely. If the download doesn't start right away, give it a few moments and check for any confirmation messages on the screen. And that's it. Once the file finishes downloading, your emails will be exported from Hostinger and saved to your device. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other mailboxes as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you export your emails from Hostinger quickly and easily.